Hello, my paint by number peeps. So today I have a review for a company that I was just introduced to on the group very recently, within the last few weeks. And I went on their website and I was actually shopping to pick one of their paintings to give them a try. And while I was shopping, the chat popped up. It was a very friendly, not a bot, person who I was speaking to back and forth a little bit, kind of telling them what I was looking for, and that I do YouTube videos. And he asked me to send him the link to my channel, so I did that. And so he actually sent me a free painting. Now I did place an order for another one that's coming in, but they were shipped separately. So I got this one first. The other one I think will be here in the next day or two. And this is going to be the image. I'm going to insert it right here. So what is really neat about this painting, and I'm guessing it's a standard procedure for them because I don't know if this is just this particular artist that they are doing this for, but you notice there are 39, I believe, colors of paint. So, wow. I mean, this is gonna be very defined, very colorful. I actually thought that they had sent both my paintings in one package because when I saw these, I thought this is the paint palette it looked like for the one that I ordered, but this is all for one painting. So you guys, when that happens, that just means that it's gonna have more of a color range, which makes it look more realistic when you're finished. So this particular painting is kind of funny because I'm not a big superhero fan, but I've always loved the original photo of the gentleman sitting up on the scaffolding and that steel girders or whatever you call them over the city in New York back in, I guess it was the time of the Depression. So I've loved that photograph. And so what they've done is this artist who only exclusively sells through this company, AANABANANA, and I'm going to put the spelling in the description because it's actually got AANABANANA.com. So anyway, but this artist is only permitted this particular company, to sell his pieces legitimately. So this artist, and I'm going to put his name in the bottom as well, has taken the photo and changed out each of the people in the photo to a superhero. And you can't see it very well on this particular picture, but the one I inserted in the beginning, you should be able to see all the details. So it's really funny, it's really cute. My grandson is very much into superheroes because his father is, and so I thought he would probably appreciate this painting once I'm done. So what I want to show you real quick is that they did send me 2 sets of brushes, and they sent me a black and white copy of, for reference, of our painting. And then under here we've got our actual canvas, which has got a linen back texture to it. It's a very smooth canvas, so we're going to talk about that in a minute. But what I want to show you first are the paints. So you guys know how much I love these foam trays. I'm actually in the process of finding a company to be able to distribute these foam trays to everyone individually, so like where you would be able to buy them for your paint by numbers. At some point I'm hoping to have the ability to do that for you guys, so just hang tight on that. But in the meantime, AANABANANA actually includes them with their paints, and so I think that's fabulous because it's these little things like this that really just win me over. So if you can see, they're perforated down the middle, so I can pull this apart and have smaller little sections of it. Now one thing you may notice is there's this white strip down the middle and there's numbers under each one, and so these I've gone with my Sharpie and I've gone ahead and put the number to the corresponding number on my painting on the top of it. So I will be pulling this sticker off and putting these in numerical order here very soon. That would drive a lot of people crazy, but I'm not going to leave it this way because I'm the type that really needs mine in order just to be able to be efficient with my paintings. But that's how it comes with the stickers here, and you just like number 32 is number 32. But it also gives you the actual color number so that if you need to mix colors or whatever, it gives you some information on that. What I want to do is look at the canvas, and we're going to discuss some of the paints and swatching. We're going to go do some swatching. Since there's so many, I don't know how many I'll do, but I definitely want to do some of that and test out these paints and their quality. Now I do need to say this. I ordered this and 13 days later I had it in my hands, and it did come from China. This is an Indian company, but they ship from Shanghai. So that is something that, you know, you'll be prepared for, but they actually shipped very fast and I got it in less than 2 weeks. So I think that's fabulous. I'm gonna try a trick that someone mentioned on the group, and I'm gonna take my Farmasi, which is the company I sell for, Cosmetics. I'm gonna take one of the makeup wipes, and we're gonna use that to clean our brush. Somebody suggested this and said it helps keep the brush conditioned. Now, I'm not real worried about this disposable brush, but I thought I would try it and see if it cleans well enough in between for me to use it on my Princeton brushes. If it keeps my Princeton brushes, you know, conditioned, then it'll be so worth it. This whole pack of wipes, facial wipes, it's for sensitive skin types, so it's really for everybody, but there's 20 wipes, and I believe they're $5.90 retail price. So I pay a lot less than that as a beauty influencer. So I can let you know about how to get those. But let's go ahead and swatch some colors. Now I'm gonna be quiet during this process and test these out, and then I'm gonna let you know what I think. All right, I'm switching to some of my regular paintbrushes because I just need to be able to get in some of these smaller spaces. So I'm gonna go to this Princeton Spotter Petite 20/0, and let's try it with this. Okay, so I've done some swatching. I've done 8 colors, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop for a minute because I wanted to show you something that I'm like extremely impressed with. And I hope this one's just the same as the others. This paint, see if I can get it in the light. This paint is so creamy. Like, I feel like you could use this right out of the pot. You don't even really have to add maybe Flow Aid to it or anything. The texture is perfect. It is creamy. I know I said creamy already. It is just like going on like butter. No kidding, y'all. So I'm stopping the swatches up to number 8. There's a ton of colors here I could swatch. I'm gonna go ahead and do these. I'm just not gonna make you watch me do them. But for now, I'm going to tell you that AANABANANA is not a scam. It is very legitimate. It is very nice. I am super excited about this, and I cannot wait to get the other one that I ordered because I'm gonna show you guys that one too. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to swatch these. And listen, you guys, I feel like you can trust this company. I feel like you're gonna be able to get it in, you know, maybe 3 weeks or less, depending on where you are in the world. I'm just super happy. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and come back and join me next time for some more videos on paint by numbers and diamond painting and makeup and chalk couture and all the wonderful things that I love to give you guys. All right, have a wonderful day. Thank you as always for watching, and stay safe.